All right, everybody. Welcome to today's video. So today I want to talk about how you can use ChatGPT without all the fancy prompts. You do need to train it for your product, your target audience. And once you've done that, ChatGPT is kind of what will be the brain AI for you. But I just, a lot of people, I go into a lot of these groups, and prompting is great, especially for pictures, but ChatGPT can help you save a ton of time when you're a content creator. And if you get into the 60-second system, you can get things done a lot quicker. But right now, you're looking at my screen, and I asked ChatGPT, can you analyze YouTube videos I have created and give me a video description, keyword tags, first comment, and a thumbnail? And here you can see it said, yes, I can do that. For each video, I can give you an SEO optimized title if you'd like suggestions, your YouTube description, keyword tags, and all of that. The thumbnail design. So it was pretty cool. We're calling it my YouTube publishing kit. So what I did was I gave it a short summation because it asked me for a transcript. So then I I uploaded it and I said, please give me my YouTube publishing package using the video I have attached. Be sure to include an affiliate disclaimer at the end of my video description. So here you'll see what it said. Um, and this is everything that's included in the package: the SEO optimized title, keyword rich YouTube description, affiliate disclaimer, 20 to 30 keyword tags. Now, I will suggest only using like 5 to 7. 20 to 30 is what's called keyword stuffing. And that's sorry guys, I got distracted by one of my roommates. That's something that YouTube frowns upon. So then it gave me actually gave me a prompt for a thumbnail image, and as you can see, I got a community post, so I've got something to post. And then later on, ChatGPT is also going to give me break this up and give me reels and TikToks and things for Pinterest as well. So um, we went back and forth, and then here's what I actually got. It knows that my audience is women 40 plus working a 9 to 5 that want to build a second income with AI using my 60-second content system. So I gave it the summation right here. You see, I didn't write anything fancy. I am showing how this amazing AI tool can create content in less than 60 seconds for multiple platforms. I told it what it was. I entered one sentence or two about the idea, and the content does the rest. And the thing does the rest. So as you can see in my other video, I showed you how all of this works, and you can see all the stuff that it gave. So basically, that's all that I just gave it a summation of the video. The next time I'm going to give it the transcript. So here's what I got. Here's my keywords, my YouTube hashtags, my pinned comment. And I actually, from now on, it's going to have my link to put in the post. Here's everything that I got, and then my thumbnail prompt, the video chapters. You still will have to go through, because I didn't give it the transcript, it didn't know the actual times to put for my video chapters, but this is pretty cool. This is everything that you need for your YouTube channel. It gave me a Facebook promotion, a TikTok teaser, my SEO focused keyword. So, like I say, this didn't take long at all, probably a little less time than this video. And then it came up with this because I forgot to attach a picture of me. And so I used the same prompt, and then I got my thumbnail that you saw in the last video. So it's pretty easy. A lot of people are intimidated by AI, but for those of us that want to build a business and still have a full life, because I know when I first started, creating content became a second job on top of running my business. So I'm not working in my business now, I'm working on my business. And so embracing AI and just utilizing, having an extra brain is like a game changer. So that's it for this video. I'm going to start a little weekly series now, you know, teaching AI in less than 10 minutes. So this will be video one of the series, you know, if you want the prompts or anything, you know, but I just kind of keep mine very conversational. I don't try to do all those prompting and all that stuff. I do for when I want a very specific image, but as you can see, I just put create a high click through YouTube thumbnail featuring me as a woman confidently pointing toward the glowing AI button, and then it put all this other stuff in here. One click content. You know, you don't have to be real specific. The more sometimes I like to let ChatGPT come up with its own stuff because it's come up with some pretty cool stuff. But I've been working with it for a very long time, as you can see over here to the left. I do quite a bit with it, and yeah, this is stuff going back almost since it came out. So I've been working with it. It's very well trained on, you know, my voice, my brand, the different business ventures I'm in. But AI does not have to be that hard. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are interested in my one-click content, please feel free to click that link below down in the subscriptions in the video description and smash that bell so you get notified of the next latest and greatest video. I will catch you again soon.